First at 6, a damaged relationship between the top law enforcement leaders in Addison County. 1 week after State's Attorney Eva Vekos was arrested and charged with a DUI, the county sheriff says she made derogatory comments towards police in an email and told them she no longer feels safe around law enforcement. ABC 22's Matt Holderman spoke with the sheriff today about this controversy. And Matt, what more did he tell you?
Well, Lauren, Sheriff Mike Elmore told me more about those comments, saying Vekos took jabs at police's ability to write and use proper grammar. He also shared this letter, which he sent to Vekos this morning, recommending that she apologize.
Definitely puts a strain on the relationship.
That's what Addison County Sheriff Mike Elmore had to say about his county's state's attorney Eva Vekos after she sent an email that law enforcement found offensive using her state email account. This started on Tuesday with an email Vekos sent to Sheriff Elmore and 4 other top police officials in the county, giving updated instructions on how police should send cases to her. Lieutenant Thomas Motzer, the commander of the Vermont State Police Barracks in New Haven, responded, asking if she could clarify those instructions at the next Addison County Police Chiefs meeting. Vekos replied, saying, quote, "Happy to do so. However, please note that because I no longer feel safe around law enforcement, I will join the next Chiefs meeting by video. This safety issue will conflict with the plan for me to do educational trainings. It's too bad. I would have loved to teach grammar skills to bring police up to the elementary school level at least. I found a really great illustrated book to use. It has pictures of dragons and stuff."
I mean, it was disappointing to see. We've always treated her with respect, I feel, and for her to come out and have those comments towards us was completely unprofessional, uncalled for.
Sheriff Elmore adds that part of Vekos' reply could have been motivated by her being arrested last week. State police charged her with DUI and refusal after they say she showed up to a crime scene slurring her words and smelling of intoxicants. He says that while Vekos says she no longer feels safe around law enforcement, police gave her no reason to feel that way.
I don't see how anything that happened from our end could cause her to feel unsafe. From what I understand, everyone treated her with respect.
He adds that until he sees otherwise, he's concerned about how she might handle cases police send her moving forward. Able to get in touch with Vekos today for comment, and calls to her office are being referred to her attorney. She is scheduled to appear in court on Monday, February 12th. Live in the newsroom, Matt Holderman, ABC 22 News.